Hey, if you cannot pair your Beats Solo 4 headphones to your iPhone or any other device, let me show you how you can fix this. As you can see, in my case, everything's fine, but I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So, first of all, just be sure that you simply turn off the Bluetooth on your iPhone or Android device. And now, you have to click on this button. It's located on the right headphone, and you have to power off your headphones. So, click on it once, then click and hold, wait until LED disappear, and now release. As you can see, headphones are turned off. Next, we have to click this button, and now we should actually hold this button for around 10 seconds until this indicator first starts blinking white, like in this case, and then it will actually turns into the red and the light blinking. So just wait for it, keep holding all the time, and now release. Then it will actually start blinking white, which means that we are in the pairing mode. So what you have to do is just to grab your iOS device or Android device and turn on the Bluetooth. Now you can find the Beats Solo 4 on the list and simply connect them by the quick pairing notification or picking from this My Devices list. Just wait for the connection and it's right now finished. So please subscribe to my channel.